In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import audio in BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a recording, a beat, or any sound file from your computer into a BandLab project so you can start arranging and mixing right away. All you need is a BandLab account, a desktop web browser, and the audio file you want to use. Common formats like WAV and MP3 work great, and a steady internet connection helps the upload go smoothly. Start by heading to the BandLab website in your browser. On the sign-in page, choose the option to continue with Google. This is a quick, secure way to log in without creating a separate password. Select your Google account when prompted, then confirm by clicking Continue to grant access. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one you actually want linked to BandLab. After a moment, you'll land on the BandLab feed. From the feed, look toward the top of the page and click Create. This opens up your options for starting a new session. Choose New Project to launch the Studio, which is BandLab's digital audio workstation. Give the Studio a second to load. It runs right in the browser and saves your work to the cloud as you go. Inside the Studio, begin by adding a track. Click Add Track, then select Voice/Audio. This creates an audio track designed for recordings, samples, or any sound you plan to import. Even if you're not recording with a microphone right now, this is the correct track type for bringing in a file from your computer. On the new audio track, open the track options by clicking the three dots. This menu is where the import tools live. Choose Import from Disk. Your computer's file picker will appear, letting you navigate to the folder where your audio file is stored. Select the file you want and confirm. BandLab will upload the audio and place it directly on the timeline in your project. If the file is large, give it a moment to process. Once it appears, you can drag it along the timeline, trim the edges, or loop it as needed. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you don't hear playback, check your browser's audio output settings and make sure your system volume isn't muted. Higher quality files, like 24-bit waves, generally provide better results for mixing. And since BandLab autosaves, your imported audio is safe as you experiment. That's it, your audio is now in BandLab and ready for creativity. Press play to audition it, and you're off to the races.